Okay, now I want to introduce you to the best JAMB CBT app. Okay, now this app is by DTW Tutorials. This is DTW Tutorials JAMB CBT app. Okay, and it works perfectly offline. All right, you don't need the internet and it will still work. I can show you this here. Okay, let me put it on airplane mode. You can see that without the internet. Now it has 27,000 past questions. I'll show you some typical features. Now you can see here, you can select for English. Okay, you can see all your subject. Let's say you know English is compulsory, so it always brings it first. Let's say you're doing biology, you're doing chemistry, you're doing physics. Where's physics? Okay, now in that you can also go and set the year. Okay, you can see you have years up to what this years. Okay, 1994. You can now set which particular year you want to sit for on each of those subjects, and then you now go to place your time. I always tell students, try to work. That's the students, we have online classes and I always meet with them, giving them strategies. I always tell them, please make sure you use 1 hour 30 minutes when you are practicing. Every time you're practicing, use 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, why this? Because it helps you manage your time. And some students, you might be asking also, why should I get a CBT app? Let me just get my past question booklet. Gone are the days, okay, it was during my time we do paperwork, but now JAMB is CBT, so you need a computer-based interface, and this is a computer-based interface, okay, where your time is counting down. You have to be used to this counting down. Are you with me? When you start your timer, you have to be used to it, and you have to now develop strategy. You have to know when 20 minutes is gone, 30 minutes is gone. Okay, that's what people do. That's what makes some people don't get high scores, because they don't practice with a CBT app. And I tell you, several students have gone through DTW. The winner of last year's, we give a token to the winner. She scored 321. She used a CBT app. Even the highest scorer in JAMB overall uses a CBT app. So please don't look down on CBT app. You want to get past grade, you don't. Okay, you like hard copy. Okay, but still get a CBT app so you master this time management. Okay, so I always tell students, please practice with 1 hour 30 minutes for your 4 subjects. JAMB is 2 hours, but practice under 1 hour 30 minutes. Then if you're used to it, yes, you might start scoring. She said she started scoring like something like 50 for over 400. She was discouraged, but she said she kept on doing it, practicing, and she started scoring 300. Then she knew that she can beat this JAMB, and she scored 321. So this is the secret, guys. Get a CBT app. Okay, so you can set that and you start and it starts. Okay, so and when you finish, you submit. There are corrections. I don't want to go there because of time. Okay, now another feature is the classroom feature. Okay, look at this. You can enter, you're in a bus, everything is offline. You have notes here you can read. You have an AI tutor, you can ask questions when you don't understand. You can see this feature, wonderful. Another feature I love so much in this app that is so useful to you is this question search. Let's say, for instance, chemistry, you have been reading on maybe Charles Law. Okay, I go to Charles Law and you do search. Okay, what it does is it goes to the database and curates all questions on Charles Law for several years. You can see them. We have 49 questions, and I tell you, when you go through each of these questions and you see the solution, there's no question that you meet under this topic that you will not get. I don't know if you understand me. So this is very, very key and important. Okay, you finish reading a topic, you want to know more, you want to get deeper insights, search for it. It will bring it out from all the years, all the questions, and you go through them. Okay, so there are other features here, but the major 3 for your academics is this first 3. Okay, there's UTME challenge, which you can join, your UTME literature books, dictionary, career. Just play around the app. It costs 3,000 naira to activate. You can freely download it on Google Play Store. If you need the link on the laptop, just check my profile, or send me a WhatsApp message, and I will send you the link. Okay, so please invest in your JAMB so you cross this. Please, I say it again, if you are not practicing with a CBT app, you are very wrong. Please get DTW JAMB CBT app today. Okay, I want to say this to you, that you are destined to win. Okay, I don't know, maybe someone Maybe life, circumstances, or whoever have spoken down on you that you cannot make it. You are not, you are, you are dull, you are dumb. Is a lie. Okay? The purpose of God in your life is for you to win. That is his grand purpose. Even from the beginning, what did he say when he created man? He said what? Let them have dominion over the earth. Let them subdue. Hello, and be fruitful. So with whatever, I don't know. So many students coming to me, don't feeling worth it, low self-esteem, low confidence in themselves. No. Speak it out from your life. Yes, maybe you didn't grow up in a good house, bad parenting, whichever voices that have been speaking it to you. All those negative voices. You have to open your mouth and say, I am destined to win. And I want you to comment it. I am destined to win. If that voice is saying you can't make it, say I am destined to win. In JAMB, in life in general, because after school is life, real life, marriage, parenting, how to make money, how to build house. You have to always speak to life that you will win. From the beginning, that's what God has given us. Mandates. Let them have dominion. Okay? So you can make it. All right? I want you to speak it to your life and comment it in this video. Comment, drop it. Okay? If you need further counseling, send me a message. And finally, I will leave you with this. That Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please give your life to Christ, for he is the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. Okay? You are destined to win. Come to Jesus. He's the way. He's the one who will make you a winner. No two way, no other way. He's the truth and the life. All right? You are destined to win. You are blessed. You are highly lifted up. Okay? And you are successful in your forthcoming JAMB 2024 examination. All right? Take care. Bye.